Blessed day, Mom and Sir. My name is Lerio from Philippines. I'm 39 years old. I'm a single mother and I have one daughter 12 years old. I'm one-year course vocational graduate. My work experience is factory worker, almost 13 years in Taiwan. And also my experience as household worker here in the Philippines, almost 2 years. My duties and responsibilities: cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, dishwasher, and especially take care of baby. I am a responsible person, hardworking, trustworthy, and patient. Mom and Sir, if you chose me as helper, I will do my best. I will follow your rules and regulation. I will take care of your children as my own children. And I will serve your family as my own family. Mom and Sir, thank you and God bless. See you.